Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today our lesson is about countable and uncountable nouns. First, let's see what are countable nouns. We can define singular and plural for these sort of nouns. Example, dog, dogs, boy, boys. These sort of nouns are countable with numbers. For example, 2 ducks, 3 kangaroos, 5 pencils. Okay students, now this is for you. You will work on these sentences. I want you to find out the countable nouns in these sentences. You can pause the video and check your answers at the end of this video. Okay? So here I am back with the answers. The first sentence is I have 3 kittens. 3 kittens is the right answer. How many sisters do you have? How many sisters? I have 3 books. 3 books. So 3 kittens, how many sisters, and 3 books. All these words are countable. Hence, they are countable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot count them with numbers. They are abstract, usually do not have a plural form. We cannot use a or an with these sort of nouns. Let's have a look at some of the examples for uncountable nouns. Love, anger, knowledge, beauty, rice, water, news, furniture, luggage, music, gas, currency, eyes, intelligence, bravery, so on. But how do we measure these nouns? Good question, Minnie. We measure these nouns in the form of words or expression. Like, for example, for love, we say a lot of love. For anger, we say a bit of anger. Enjoyment, we express it as a day of enjoyment. Salt, a pinch of salt. Rice, a bag of rice. Water, a cup of water, and so on. Let's try to use these uncountable nouns in few sentences. Like, for example, add a pinch of salt to my food. So, a pinch of salt is the uncountable noun. We bought a bag of rice yesterday. So, a bag of rice. I hope you understood the concept clearly. Okay, students, this is for you. Close the window. There is too much light. A dentist works in a hospital. First, try to work on it. Pause the video and later check the answers at the end of this video. So here I am back with the answers. Close the window. There is too much light. So, too much light is the uncountable noun. A dentist works in a hospital. A dentist. A hospital. I hope you got it right. Before I end, I want to keep you informed about a tricky word which is often confused is hair. Okay, the word hair comes under uncountable noun. And it is always used in plural forms. Okay, look at this sentence. I don't have much hair. Okay? But when we refer to individual hair strands, then you say hairs. Like, for example, there are 2 hairs in my food. So here we use 2 hairs. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning channel. Subscribe to my channel to receive more educational videos like this. Thank you.